Hello, welcome to Twinkl. My name is Niall, and in this video we're going to be looking at our environmental lesson packs, looking at ways we can use them inside the classroom, outside the classroom, and how to navigate them. So, let's start. First, log on to Twinkl, download the resource you want, wait for it to fully download, then open a folder and unzip. And inside the folder you'll find your lesson overview, your lesson plan, your success criteria, your lesson PowerPoint, and the resources needed for this lesson. For the overview, don't become overwhelmed. All this is a brief look at what we will be covering throughout the unit over, in this case, 6 lessons. Next, we'll look at the lesson plan, which is broken down to the aim, which is the objective of the lesson, success criteria, which is what the children will learn, the resources, which is what you will need, key or new words, anything you need to prepare, some prior learning the children may have done, and the lesson sequence. The lesson sequence is a step-by-step guide for how best to teach the lesson inside the classroom. Therefore, if using at home, you may want to alter or resequence a few things. Finally, there is the tasked section, which is used to extend children's learning or further challenge them if necessary. Now for the resources. Most science lesson packs will come with experiments which can be done at home or at school. Here's an example of our climate change experiment shown here. Make sure before you start you make your prediction. As you can see, I have offered some sentence starters and a word bank as a bit of extra help. Then conduct the experiment. As you can see, I am using a whiteboard to take down anything I have noted as the experiment moves along. After the experiment's finished, write down your conclusions and finally the method. Remember to encourage the use of scientific language throughout your writing. You will notice these 3 circles below the top. This is for the child to assess their own work. Ask the child to use green if they are confident they completed their work, to use orange if they were slightly unsure, and to use red if they felt they did not understand the work, which is not a bad thing. It just means next time they may need some help. Our environment learning pack also offers worksheet activities like this one. You will notice the 1, 2, and 3 stars in the top left-hand corner. These are to separate children who are maybe not so confident with the activity, 1 star, confident, 2 stars, and very confident, 3 stars. Last but not least, we have our success criteria. Ideally, 1 column is for teacher and 1 column is for child. Ask the child to assess how they feel they did and what they have learned in this lesson, and then as the teacher or parent, you do the same. And that's that. Slán go fóill, have a nice day, thank you for watching.